Here's the back side of our shed. Today we're going to try to complete the fascia. You can see I had the roofing paper kind of side over the edge there just for protection over the winter. I'm going to be cutting that back, removing those nails. Hey guys, I learned this watching YouTube. This is where we're putting a window. So last summer I put this paper on the siding and it survived through the winter and beyond. I mean, it, other than the ink has faded a little, the paper looks as good as new. This paper is held up really well. So I'm just temporarily using this tape just to hold that back. The truth is, I'm a real good expert genius at this, even though this is the first time I've ever done this. So here in a few minutes, I'm going to grab my Sawzall and I'm going to cut out this board for the window. And I'm just temporarily putting this tape on here just to hold back the paper so it doesn't get in the way of my sawing. Because I'm fixing to do it all. And just do it slowly. Take your time. Don't hurry. I should be wearing safety glasses.
Come with me and you'll be
In a world of OSHA violations, take a look and you'll see. I know I can set a better example when it comes to safety with my family and YouTube viewers. I was a union elevator constructor for several years. Safety was taught and enforced every day on the job. So here's what I'm going to do in moving forward to help keep me in check. The very first viewer in all future videos, not including this one, who calls me out on not wearing safety glasses when OSHA says I should, and does so in a comment on that video, will receive one $50 gift card of your choice to either Home Depot, Lowe's, or Amazon. Whenever using power tools, especially when cutting material, all should wear safety glasses. I have to say this was a fun project with my family, and almost everyone had the opportunity to participate in one way or another. So I put the windows in place, and we got the window flashing seal right here going all the way around. It's completely covering the window where the screws are holding it in place. I started down at the bottom, did the sides, worked my way up top, obviously for water. If it were to seep through, it's just going to go down. However, I think I may have got a little carried away, or I was in too much of a hurry. I think this paper was supposed to be tucked on the inside, on the sides. I got it right up here, the top, but you know what? I really don't think it's that big of a deal. We're going to pull the paper back. We're going to tape it all up with the Tyvek tape. It's going to be sealed up. We're going to have our board going around and our siding. I think just doing a really good job with caulking all the way around on the siding. Nothing's going to get past it, moisture or water. So I think this is fine, but I feel pretty good about the way this has turned out. I think we've got a pretty good seal all the way around. I don't think any water is going to get in past this window.